4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy your mangoes and happy Manggahan Festival. Nag-aanalis na saan tayo makapamanis sa ilang mangga, partner. Pwede ba ka magkagamit sa kamot nyo? May simple na demonstration, partner eh. If you want, itaon nyo ang ilocate nyo lang tips sa mangga. Ang tip pala sa mangga, ito na ka mo pinch, no? Make a pinch para mag-peel off, then you can just peel it off kung isang gusto ka mo, okay? Yes. You start from the tip, no? Amo lang sa dalam ang may pedicel. Pedicel ang kungango or the minor stop, no? Amo lang base.
That's why it's medyo makasal. So it's better to start peeling off from the tip sa puno.
So from the tip kita then downward. Okay? So I hope you're enjoying your mangoes. Don't you worry. We have enough mangoes for you. If you need more, all you have to do is raise your hand. Okay? And if you want to beat the record, kung sabi ka dyan natin, ang may pinakadamo na mangga na kaon, all you have to do is eat at least 25 mangoes. That's the 2024 record.
So 25 tayo pakalagot.
Oo.
Pero kung gusto mo siya nabawan,
26 dapat.
Yeah.
Yun. Dapat mga 26 ka. 2024, last 2 years ago lang ang record niya na, no? So, we will know kung saan yan mag-beat ang record niya na, kung sino magiging next record holder natin. Pero grabe din ng 25 eh, in 30 minutes. So that means mga more or less 1 minute per mangga, di ba? Alright. Sige, pero kung trip nyo lang naman, why not, di ba? Ang lima eh. Alam, medyo ako namin sa kangin sa mong partner, no? And of course, if you want to post your photos or videos online sa mga social media accounts niyo, please don't forget to use our official hashtag, hashtag the sweetest festival, hashtag mangoes and more, and hashtag mango it all you can, alright? And do visit our official Facebook pages, Province of Guimaras and Guimaras Manggahan Festival.
so partner, it's time na pangilalangon talaga.
Yes, go ahead,
yung
partner.
mga participants, starting off with stable. Nakikita namin sa smile.